Welcome to Clinic Source's micro training videos. Today we're going to discuss how to invoice non-clinical services. I'm going to go ahead and log into Clinic Source. First, we need to create the non-clinical code. I'm going to go to Setup, Procedure Codes, and just create a non-clinical code for speech as an example. Up at the top of the screen, I'll check off speech, type in my code. I'll just call it admin, and I'll just call it paperwork as a description. You can choose to make it a flat rate, just like any other code, or 1 unit per 15 minutes. I'm going to do it as 1 unit per 15 minutes. Go ahead and add the code, admin, and down below you'll see admin is in my code list for paperwork. It is a non-encounter, therefore 1 unit would be 15 minutes worth of time. I'm going to save my change here. The next step is to go to the insurance. For my test subject, I know this is United Healthcare, so I'm going to go to Setup and Insures and choose United Healthcare. I'm going to scroll down to my fee schedule and look for admin. Let's say I want to pay my staff $10 per every 15 minutes. So I enter my rate as $10. Save it. Now, we need to create a visit for the patient. I'll be able to choose my regular procedure code, let's say 92507. I spent 30 minutes. And I also did some admin time. And 2 units. Another 30 minutes. And save. Both of those treatment codes will go to billing and treatments. So you'll see down below, I have a date of service of 4/16 for my test patient here. One code is 92507, and the other is admin. Admin has a rate of $10 per unit. Since there was 2 units, we are going to bill out $20. You have the ability to filter by procedure code just by clicking the word procedure in the header. So that way I can choose all of my non-clinical codes, invoice them, and then choose my regular CPT codes and invoice those separately. So that way I'll be able to submit to the insurance companies the clinical codes that I want to submit and keep the non-clinical codes in-house but invoiced. If you need to or would like to, you can certainly select both of those codes, create the invoice, and on the invoice you'll see both of those treatment items will be on the bill. I'll go ahead and click on it. Open it up. Down below, you'll see my 92507 with its modifier that I had previously created a rule for in place, as well as my admin code for $10 per unit at 2 units.